Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Java Expert Tutorial. So guys, today we will discuss about abstract class in Java. There are two ways to achieve abstraction. The first one is interface and second one is abstract class. In my previous video we already discussed about interface. Now in this video we will discuss about abstract class. Let's start with what is abstract class in Java. A class that is declared using abstract keyword is known as abstract class. That means if you have to create an abstract class, it is compulsory to use abstract keyword. Abstract class have abstract methods as well as concrete methods. Abstract method means method without body and concrete method means method with body. An abstract class cannot be instantiate, which means we can't create an object of it. So guys, we can't create the object of abstract class and we can't create the object of interface also. Now next is abstract class declaration. So guys, this is the way to declare an abstract class. Here we are using abstract keyword to declare an abstract class. Inside the abstract class, we define two methods, my method and another method. My method is abstract method and another method is concrete method. Yeah, you can say that normal method. So you can define method definition over here. So guys, there are some rules which is related with abstract class. A class derived from the abstract class must implement all those methods that are declared as abstract in the parent class. Abstract class cannot be instantiate, which means you cannot create the object of it. To use this class, you need to create another class that extends this class and provides the implementation of abstract methods. Then you can use the object of that child class to call non-abstract methods of parent class as well as implemented methods. If a child does not implement all the abstract methods of abstract parent class, then the child class must need to be declared abstract as well. Now let's see the practical example of it. So guys, this is the example of abstract class. Here we have a class animal and it has sound method and we have two subclasses, dog and cat. Okay. So the animal sound differ from one animal to another. So there is no point to implement this method in parent class. Thus, making this method abstract in parent class, now compiler will forcing all the subclasses to implement this method, otherwise you will get compile time error. So guys, as you can see, we override the sound method in child classes. Suppose if I remove this part, okay, then the compiler will give compile time error. Add unimplemented method, make type dog abstract. Okay, you have to declare the class dog class as abstract, or you have to provide implementation of sound method. Okay, so here we are providing the implementation. Now inside the main class we create two objects. First we creating the object of dog class and giving the reference of animal, that means abstract class. Okay, and second time we create the object of cat class and giving the reference of animal, abstract class. When we calling this method sound method, the output will be like this: woof woof, meows. So this is the sounds. Now thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.